Hey everyone, Earl Foote, founder, CEO of Nexus IT here. I'm here with one of our latest additions, Mr. Joseph Nice, better known as Joe Nice.
Yep.
Joseph has had a long, illustrious, successful career in the IT services industry. We're super happy to have added him to the team. He's been a fantastic addition so far.
Appreciate it.
Yes. Joe, why don't you tell everybody something fun about yourself and how things are going around here?
Yeah, well, as Earl said, I've been in the IT industry for about 20 years. Interesting thing about myself, I do play a lot of golf, and I'm really bad at it, but I keep on trying. So
Bad? You actually compete?
Yeah, we'll try to at least. Also, in addition, been married for 25 years, so
Wow.
that's something different.
That's an accomplishment.
Yeah, it is an accomplishment.
Congratulations.
Yep.
So happy to have you.
you.
Welcome to the team. We'll see you, everybody.